Okay, it's Tuesday the 18th. This is your 48-hour forecast for southeastern PA, Jersey, Delaware. The next update will be 48 hours will be on Thursday. And tomorrow I'll have a regular video which covers the whole state and everything in Jersey and all. And we'll talk about what's coming up. And we do have some colder air moving in and even some chances for snow for some people. Okay, this is Tuesday afternoon temperatures. Temperatures got really warm. Temperatures got really warm today. They got up into the 60s, mid 60s in a lot of areas. Now they're beginning to drop off as we go into the nighttime hours. This takes you to around 8 o'clock this evening. You can see temperatures have dropped for the most part into the 50s. Not too bad for this time of year. I mean, here at Reading, normal high right now is like 50, and it's way over that today. So we've been much above normal. As we go through the nighttime hours, here's midnight. Temperatures have dropped into the 40s for a lot of areas, mostly in South Jersey. You're touching the upper 40s, but again, temperatures drop, and you're going to start to see emotion on this where things are coming from the east to west. And that's going to be the beginning as it leads into a front that's going to come across, but the wind direction and the way the temperatures are controlled will come from the east. Now you'll see as I move this, you can see the movement. Coldness is now moving east to west, like I said. Now here's 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, and you can see some areas have gotten down into the 30s. These are the areas that look like they're in white, even down by Philadelphia down here. Otherwise, everybody else is in the lower 40s. Not too bad. We don't have any precipitation as of right now. You can see here it's clear. And then tomorrow, temperatures will go up again. And this time, we're really going to feel some heat. And let's see if we can get this to. Here we are in the afternoon. A lot of 60s. I'm not doubting that somebody will see a 70 somewhere in here. Right along the shore, like I said, the winds are blowing from the east, keeps the temperatures down to the low 50s, even down here in Delaware. But elsewhere, it really soars at the high tomorrow and really gets warm before we get into the nighttime hours. And this is around 8 o'clock in the evening, 9 o'clock in the evening. And you can see the winds blowing off the ocean here brought the temperatures down into the lower 40s. Out here, PA, out here towards Reading and all, it's still in the 50s. Precipitation at this time, nothing, but as we go into the overnight hours, you can see some scattered drizzle and stuff around here. This is Wednesday night into Thursday around 3 o'clock in the morning, and you can see some showers have broken out. And even when the drizzle breaks out, it's going to keep your temperatures a little bit down. They won't be hitting the 70s. This is around, let's see, let's move this to early morning, around 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Temperatures have fallen into the 40s for everybody, maybe up in the Poconos, they get into 30s. Up here in northern New Jersey, here you're right around 40 degrees. As we go through the day on Thursday, you can see warm air now starting to surge from the south instead of off the ocean. Still cool along the waterfront here, but you can see here by 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, we have temperatures running into the 60s. Now remember that. Here's a mid 60 in Reading here, 66. Pretty warm. So keep that in mind because right up here you can't see it. There's a front, and that front will come across and into the area. And you'll see as we go through the afternoon, this is around 4 in the afternoon. Here is the cold front slicing through the Reading area, almost to Allentown, almost to Wilmington. And as that moves a little bit further to the east, this is around 7 o'clock in the evening, and now it's in Philadelphia, and then now it's heading towards Jersey. What it does to the temperatures, but is it will cool them quickly. You can see here up ahead of this where it's just starting to rain, temperatures are warm, upper 50s to 60. But then as this front comes through, you can see it. Oop, sorry, wrong one. That was too far. You can see here, if I can move this one slot, yeah, you can see that cold air streaming behind it, temperatures in the 40s, and even going to get to the freezing mark up north. But you can see they're being pushed. Some unusual ideas Now flipping over to this. This is where the front is at around 8 o'clock, and then you can see it crosses the area pretty quickly. This is 2 a.m., but as you can see behind it, it's trying to like change things to snow out here to the west. Let's see. And then as it does, this is early Friday morning, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. And you can see it's trying to say that there could be some snow behind it. And all this depends on just how fast the front moves and how much precipitation is behind it. I'm only showing you this because there's a possibility of this. Not that I'm saying this is definitely going to happen. But I will have another video tomorrow, one main video, long video, and I will try to look into this deeper and see what might happen with this. All right, everybody be safe and take care.